Today we're diving into a topic that many couples face, but few discuss openly: sexless marriages. It's a conversation that can feel uncomfortable, but it's essential for maintaining a healthy and fulfilling relationship. Did you know that while a whopping 75% of married couples are satisfied with their relationships overall, more than half, yes, over 50%, report feeling dissatisfied with their sex lives? That's quite a disparity, isn't it? So, what's going on here? Why are so many couples struggling to connect on this intimate level, even if they're happy in other aspects of their relationship? Let's explore some of the key reasons behind this phenomenon. First, we have to talk about the decline of the PEA chemical in our brains. This chemical, phenylethylamine, is responsible for that head over heels, butterflies in your stomach feeling when you first fall in love. But here's the catch: after about 2 years of marriage, the levels of PEA start to decline. For many couples, this can lead to a decrease in sexual excitement and desire. You might think back to the early days of your relationship when everything felt new and thrilling. The kissing, the sparks flying, the late-night talks filled with laughter and anticipation, those moments often fade. But recognizing that this decline is a natural part of relationship dynamics can help you understand the need for proactive measures to rekindle that initial excitement. Next, let's discuss the issue of sex education. Many women grow up with the notion that sex is dirty or unimportant, while men are often inundated with unrealistic portrayals of sex through pornography. This imbalance can create a significant disconnect in sexual compatibility and understanding between partners. Picture this: you're with your partner, and you're both approaching intimacy from two very different learned perspectives. One partner might have been taught that sex is something to be ashamed of, while the other may carry expectations shaped by adult entertainment. Such contradictions lead to misunderstandings that can impact the bedroom, the very place that should be safe and pleasurable. Furthermore, the overwhelming stress of modern life plays a huge role. With women juggling careers, household chores, and taking care of children or elderly family members, is it any wonder that many feel too worn out to engage in intimacy? The sheer exhaustion can diminish the desire for sex, making it feel like just another chore rather than a joyful and connecting experience. Think of the last time you or your partner came home after a long day. Exhaustion is palpable. You just want to collapse on the couch and binge-watch a favorite show. The thought of sexual intimacy might as well feel like climbing a mountain. When life gets busy, it can be easy to push intimacy to the back burner. Yet, intimacy should not become a luxury, but a necessity that fuels the emotional connections between partners. We can't ignore the impact of past sexual trauma or abuse either. For some individuals, these experiences can create deep-seated anxiety or aversion toward physical intimacy, affecting their current relationships. It's crucial to recognize that healing takes time, and each partner's healing journey influences the relationship dynamic. As we delve into solutions, we must first acknowledge this trauma when discussing intimacy. Seeking professional help, like therapy, can become a pivotal step for individuals in releasing the burdens of past experiences and learning to engage in a healthy, loving relationship. Partners should support each other and encourage open conversations about past experiences, allowing for empathy and understanding that can rebuild trust. So, what can we do to revive intimacy in our marriages? Here are some practical tips that you can start implementing today. First and foremost, prioritize physical intimacy. It's essential to carve out time for connection in your busy schedules. This can mean making date nights a priority, whether it's a dinner out, a movie, or a cozy night in with just the two of you. Consider activities that you both enjoy doing together. These could become your go-to bonding experiences. Whether it's a favorite restaurant or a board game night, find moments in your schedule that allow you some time to focus on each other outside your daily responsibilities. Try to establish a regular routine that sets the stage for intimacy, making it feel less like an obligation and more like a cherished time together. Next, if there are any sexual dysfunction issues, don't hesitate to seek medical advice. There's no shame in addressing health concerns that impact your sex life. A healthcare provider can help rule out any physical issues and provide suggestions tailored to your situation. Consulting a doctor or therapist who specializes in sexual health can provide insight into solutions that might help. Also, let's talk about distractions. In today's digital age, it's all too easy to get sidetracked by our phones or other devices. During intimate moments, make a conscious effort to disconnect from technology and focus on each other. Setting boundaries around device usage during intimate time creates intentional space for connection and intimacy, something we should take seriously amid our chaotic lives. Consider making your bedroom a device-free zone. This means putting away phones, tablets, and TVs during intimate moments. You'd be surprised how much deeper your connection feels without the constant pull of notifications or news alerts vying for your attention. Finally, communication is key. Openly discussing your sexual needs and desires with your partner can help bridge the gap that may have formed over time. It might feel awkward initially, but being honest about what you want and need can lead to a deeper understanding and intimacy. Setting aside time to talk about your sexual journey as a couple can illuminate areas for improvement and foster trust. Don't just talk about what's not working, celebrate what does. Explore each other's desires and fantasies, complete with the understanding that discussing them can be a significant step toward fulfilling those needs. Moreover, consider exploring new ways to connect intimately outside of penetrative sex. Many couples enjoy activities such as cuddling, kissing, or massages. These forms of intimacy can rekindle the spark and create a sense of closeness that may have been lacking. Finding pleasure in non-sexual touch can build anticipation, allowing both partners to feel cherished while relieving the pressure surrounding a full sexual encounter. Engaging in activities that promote emotional closeness will enhance your physical intimacy. Sharing your dreams, fears, and aspirations helps both partners feel valued and understood. Couples who actively work on their emotional connection often find that it positively impacts their physical relationship. Take the time to explore one another's views on love and commitment. Such discussions can create deeper bonds that make intimate moments more meaningful. Additionally, let's think about turning the ordinary into extraordinary. When was the last time you surprised your partner? Spontaneity can breathe life into a routine relationship. Plan a surprise date or even just leave a sweet note for your partner to find. These little gestures of love can catalyze feelings of affection and emotional attachment that pave the way for deeper intimacy. Incorporating fun and playfulness into your relationship can help shake things up. It might seem trivial, but laughing together lowers barriers and fosters connection. Planning lighthearted activities, like an impromptu dance-off at home or playing a silly game together, helps create moments of joy that can transition into deeper affection and intimacy. It's essential to express appreciation for one another. Compliments and affirmations can go a long way in making partners feel valued and desired. Take a moment each day to recognize the qualities you love about your partner, or express gratitude for small acts of kindness throughout the day. Building a strong emotional connection can serve as a precursor to rekindling sexual desire. Lastly, consider working on your personal growth. Sometimes, reigniting intimacy might also mean focusing on becoming the best version of yourself, as this energy becomes infectious in the relationship. Investing in personal interests, hobbies, and self-care can reinvigorate your sense of self, which will positively affect how you interact with your partner. When you feel fulfilled on individual levels, it often translates into a more vibrant relationship. At Love Lab Lounge, we believe in breaking the stigma surrounding sex and relationships. It's time to have these conversations and seek practical solutions to revive intimacy in sexless marriages. It's also important to recognize that seeking help from specialists such as therapists, sex coaches, or counselors is nothing to be embarrassed about. Professional guidance can offer tailored strategies and provide an environment where couples can explore their issues constructively. As we conclude today's discussion, remember that sexless marriages are a common challenge rather than a personal failing. Approaching the situation as a partnership allows both partners to take responsibility for nurturing the intimate side of their relationship. Fostering empathy and understanding during these conversations creates space for both partners to share thoughts and feelings openly. Seek support and understanding in any way that feels right for you. whether it's engaging in self-help strategies, couples therapy, or informational workshops on intimacy. Thank you for joining us today here at Love Lab Lounge. If you found this episode helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more insights on love and relationships. Remember that every relationship has its ups and downs, and seeking to navigate these challenges together is the road to a fulfilling partnership. Until next time, keep the love alive.